To see images from your phone on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is easy. You're going to begin by opening up the Galaxy Wearable app, then you're going to select Watch Settings. From here, choose the option Manage Content, and then under Gallery, select Images on Watch. Now from here, it will be separated into different categories. You have Pictures, Albums, and Story. So to add any of these options, just tap on the plus icon and then choose either your albums or your pictures or your stories, whatever it is that you currently want added. Then select Done and then wait for them to be uploaded to your watch. Once they've been uploaded, simply wait a couple of seconds so that you can be able to see the previews listed right here. If you don't see them, just tap on the back button and then select it and they should now appear. If you want to see them on your watch, go ahead and navigate to the app screen and then from here, go open up the Gallery app. When you open up the Gallery app, you should be able to see your pictures. If you've transferred albums, switch to the album section. If you've transferred a story, switch to the story section. Now, when you do that, you can go ahead and select an image and see how it looks like all the way on your watch. Another thing you can also choose to do, instead of doing this manually every time you want to select specific images, simply go back and choose the option Auto Sync Albums. So when you do enable this option, you can now choose which albums you want to sync to your watch. So you can choose to have export raw, you can choose downloads, screenshots, pictures, all sorts of things that are available for you. Once you do that, just select Done, like so. And then you can choose your limit on how many images you want synced from 20 to 200. And then you can now be able to go ahead and see any of those albums or stories all the way from the comfort of your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.